Autosar. Autosar. Virtual Functional Bus. General Introduction. Documents. This e-learning focuses on the Virtual Functional Bus Release R1911, which is the main communication concept of the classic platform. This concept is mainly described in the Autosar document 56, Virtual Functional Bus. Before we start, let's look at the relationship between the specification of the Virtual Functional Bus and other major specifications of Autosar. The main requirements are part of the foundation of Autosar, and therefore relevant for all standards. The specification of the Virtual Functional Bus is part of a set of specifications describing the overall concepts of Autosar. These documents give a conceptual overview of Autosar and serve as requirements to the more detailed specifications. The conceptual specifications include the methodology, which describes the method that is used when building systems with Autosar. The specification of the Virtual Functional Bus, which will be discussed in detail in this lesson. The layered software architecture, which is discussed in our lesson Classic Platform, in the chapter Architecture. And the list of basic software modules. These conceptual documents are refined and specified into a large set of Autosar specifications, which can be divided into two groups. The specifications defining the Autosar metamodel and templates. In this group the software component template is directly influenced by the VFB concepts. The specifications defining the Autosar basic software modules and the runtime environment. In this group the specification of runtime environment is directly influenced by the VFB concepts. If you want to learn more about Autosar and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.